Welcome to the Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, January 11th, 2017. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have Samsung that is apparently preparing itself to launch a foldable phone that will double as a tablet in the fourth quarter of this year. Kind of a very interesting idea. We know that Samsung is working hard on creating flexible screens and even phones that you could fold pretty much in almost any way that you want. So it's kind of interesting to see that. And I will be very, very curious to see that foldable phone doubling as a tablet. Now, we got to be careful. All these rumors are not always exactly true, but this one seems to be a pretty strong one. So that's going to be interesting to see later this year. Android Nougat 7 is going to apparently start rolling out to all Samsung Galaxy S7 owners on January 17th. Yep, it seems that a few lucky Galaxy S7 owners did receive Android Nougat Android 7 on their Galaxy S7, but apparently it was like in a little attempt to just see if things were going well. And following the fact that it's going pretty well, it seems that the major rollout of Android 7 is coming January 17th. So I'm going to be happy, and I know a lot of you are going to be happy also. Well, in the UK, internet service providers will be sending out anti-piracy educational warnings to users that download illegal content. Now, it won't be something like, hey, you did something bad, you got to pay, or you did something bad, and you know what, we're going to cut off your internet if you continue. It's going to be simply some emails that are going to be sent out, or even letters through the mail, where there's going to be some kind of educational information about, why piracy is wrong, and that you shouldn't do this and that, and in an effort, of course, always to try and lower piracy on the internet. Verizon that will actually start to purge users that use more than 200 gigabytes of data on their unlimited data plan. Now, I don't know. My understanding of unlimited data, personally, is use as much data as you want. But it seems that Verizon doesn't see unlimited data as everybody else. So if you're using more than 200 gigabytes of data on your plan, they will actually call you or tell you, well, you got to move to another plan, which probably will be a plan that's a little more expensive. So I don't know, but I think it's time to put things straight. Unlimited is unlimited. Stop playing with words. This is really annoying, and I don't think that's a good move. This is what the new privacy dashboard will be in Creators Update. In the Creators Update of Windows 10, we will have a privacy dashboard. Why? Simply to answer the critics of a lot of people that are just, saying, hey, Windows 10 privacy isn't clear. We don't know what's the data and how to set it, on or off and all of that. And apparently there will be a dashboard that will be clearer in explaining and telling you what you can turn on or off in the Creators Update. And of course, that's going to be interesting to look at. And talking of privacy, a little later on in this news bulletin, we'll have another privacy information in our news bulletin about Windows 10. Well, rest in peace, Windows Live Essentials. We were talking last month that Windows Live Essentials will be, there won't be any more support from Microsoft for these products starting January. Well, I hope that everybody that was watching my video last month on how to download the standalone installer basically downloaded the standalone installer, because they are not available anymore from the Microsoft websites. So no more support, and Microsoft has removed every link that you can download Windows Live Essentials. Windows Live Essentials is a popular package for Microsoft. It includes Windows Live Mail, Windows Photo Gallery, Windows Movie Maker, and also the Live word processor that they have also. So I don't know, Live Writer, I believe it's called, and as you see here. And so bye bye. No more downloads possible, and I'll try to find a way that you can maybe have it in update do a little video update for that, and we'll see what we can find. But it's sad because this is something that a lot of people found really cool. The live mail has been used by a lot of people for a while. Live Movie Maker was also Movie Maker was something that a lot of people were using also. Sad to see these going away. Well, in a latest report from Kantar that looks at the market share of different phones in the US market, Windows Phone is now officially below 1% in the US for the first time. So it shows that Windows Phone is pretty much disappearing from the radar everywhere. Really sad to see that, and unfortunately, we don't know if anything else will ever come to market. Well, tech giants are starting to create a fund to prevent rogue artificial intelligence. Yep, it seems that even big companies are kind of a little scared of the future of artificial intelligence in computing and robots. And they are to a point where they are a little bit scared of a Terminator-like future. So basically, a few tech giants have started to put away some money. Right now, there's $20 million aside. And they say that scientists and tech companies need to have a say in the future technologies to prevent a Terminator-like future. So, you know what? I think when big companies are starting to get scared of the future's technology, maybe we should also start wondering if we're going in the right direction here. And finally, Terry Myerson says the Windows 10 basic privacy settings in Creators Update will stop sending app data usage. That was one of the basic settings. When you actually use the basic settings in Windows 10, you basically wanted to have as little data sent to Microsoft as possible. A lot of people were saying, well, why is app data being sent in the basic privacy setting? So to answer this problem, Terry Myerson did say, app data usage will, of course, not be sent anymore. And there will be a few more personal data information that the basic settings right now send out that will stop being sent. No details given as to what exactly, but I think that's a good move. Now that you've settled your Windows 10 to a quarter of all computers around the world, why not tweak what people are a little scared of in your Windows operating system? So with the new dashboard and the fact that the basic settings might actually send less data, well, I think that's a pretty good idea. So this was the Tech News Update for Wednesday, January 11th, 2017. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. And hopefully, you will continue watching our videos. We have multiple videos coming today, including videos where we'll continue to talk about the blue screens on Windows PCs. Thank you for watching.